Menteri Sorkar Kmie beripet ketenat ports, shipping and waterways bat ketenat ayush. Usar benanda sonowal, menta kesi kakat santri ujemang arja alpulai, ulah pli pat baik hindriu tli ki building batmai ki balong kom shibenta ki project jongka North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, NEA. Kepada ke phase 2 nak benta ban penhe ya ke jaka pulih kepada na mau diang New Shillong bat ke jinglot jingsap nak benta kita ki building batmai kalakot hadu enro pau klur tengkah. Yau sonowa la senran lang da Menteri Sorkar keberipet ikatanat kokot kokia jong Sorkar jela ke Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo haringkat UMLE ke BJP ubadairu Menteri ke Sorkar beripet ikatanat rijingri uba AL hack bat ki he officer ke Sorkar jela nalor ki weipat. Uba AL hack habakran ke ni jingyalang ula banjor ya Menteri ke Sorkar kme na ke benta ban Kyntiew ki dawai kynbat apo ke jela bat kumju ru apo ki jela jong ka than jatai lammingi ke balaru ban kringi ki nongwan sha sumar bat kumju ru hagakam jongok kai perthai.
The government has given you the positions. You have to find out the way. Not only to find out the way, you have to show them the way also. As I said by the former speaker, that the field, you have to go and give awareness to the people about the Ayush medicines. So in Meghalaya, we have so many the tribal traditional medicines we have not been promoting. I just request our Honorable Minister, Union Minister, Sanawalji, and all the central officers to promote the traditional medicine which is spread over the state of Meghalaya. Today, we have to degrade it and link with the tourism. Those people are going everywhere. I've seen the Honorable Prime Minister from the local medicine has been taken to the global medicine today, the Ayush. Everybody throughout the world, they are practicing Ayush today.
Nakaliang ke Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo habakrana kene ke jingelang kala penpau baka jing play pat ba kita ki building mathamai kan play lat ke jela Meghalaya bakan longkum kawai kalenti ke balak ban Kyntiew ya ki dawai kynbat.
I am elated to be a part of today's inaugural program for the phase 2 project of the NEI. I am sure that this will be a force multiplier for the state's healthcare services. The people of the state of Meghalaya in particular have tremendous faith in traditional practices. And this institution, being here in the heart of the city of Shillong, should provide a gateway to merge traditional practices and the normal practice next door which we see in Negrams. I would like to see that in our leadership of our dear Minister, Mr. Sonowal, we will be able to see that traditional health practitioners in the state of Meghalaya also find way in your research and study. We would like to see that the people of the state in general and the region in particular should benefit from this institution. I am well aware of many of the patients of this institution who flock the institution from near and far. We would like to see that those coming to NEI also get the benefit of cost reductions, especially because the people of the state believe in traditional practices. Through the Honourable Minister, we would like to thank the Honourable Prime Minister of this nation for this wonderful idea of giving Meghalaya an opportunity to host such an institution.
Menteri ke Sorkar Kmie usar benanda sonowal habakrana kene ke jingelang ula penpau ke jingkman baula yok lat ban play ke ke project jong ke North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy kabadai ke benta ke baar bat ula airu ke jingero ke Sorkar BJP hapo ke jingelam u Narendra Modi u balak ban wanra ke jingkala habaro ke jela jong ke than chatai lammingi.
This NEA expansion project is coming up, not only in Meghalaya but in all the 8 states of Northeast. I, being the Northeasterner, I feel so connected, so motivated when Honorable Prime Minister says, this desh ka me hai. Most resourceful region of the country is Northeast India. So this reflects his sincere love and affection and also his vision for our growth. And he has also given us the responsibility to play the role of an engine. एनी का मतलब सिर्फ नॉर्थ ईस्ट नहीं, न्यू इंजन फॉर इंडिया's growth. In this next phase of our journey towards 2047, when India is going to complete its 100 years of independence, and he has termed this as Amrit Kal, this golden period for Indian 142 crores plus Indian society to become Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India by 2047. In this journey, the people of Northeast will have to contribute a lot as an engine. That's the responsibility we'll have to soldier with ability, wisdom, knowledge, power and skill. So this is a golden opportunity for all the students living, studying here.